How to turn waste into wealth. A gardener's secret to growth. And they are growing. What if the things that you're discarding or considered waste are actually the keys to your success or the keys to your next breakthrough? I'm going to go ahead and reveal a powerful secret. The lesson of the pile. Oh, yeah, I'm going to talk about mulch some more. They're everywhere. But this is going to have a little different twist on it. It's going to be the art of composting your past failures, your past lessons, your past mistakes. And we can grow that into rich, fertile ground to grow your future success. Now, I've been working on a way to simplify the garden, at least how to explain it, and I thought I did a pretty good job. They're everywhere. But then I had somebody tell me I had made it too simple. That kind of hurt my feelings. And after thinking about it a little bit, they may have been right, but not in the way they thought. I've come up with this 4-pillar structure on what a garden is. And we've gone over it. Pile, plant, protect, pick. But now I'm seeing it everywhere in all aspects of my life. In my career. Look at that. I'm seeing it in all aspects of my life. I'm seeing it in my business career. I'm seeing it everywhere. Pile, plant, protect, and pick. So I think I want to look at each one of these pillars, and today we're going to look at pile. And in a deep mixed mulch garden, that's all you really do, is you just pile that mulch up. But why do you pile it up? You want to feed that life in the soil. But in life, if you pile up all of your lessons, all of your experiences, they feed who you are. Oh, these are getting close to being ready to come off. I think I have to take this one though. And probably this one. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you've piled up in your life that you consider your mulch. And it does seem kind of weird to be talking about it like this, but when I look back over my life, all of my experiences have led me to this. They weren't all good, they weren't all bad, but they were all something I could learn from. But this philosophy, it's not like a ladder where you're climbing and you could fall. It's a circular philosophy. We're all at different stages. Are you piling up? Are you planting? Are you ready to harvest? We'll talk about the rest of these in upcoming episodes, but I thought we ought to start with something I'm known for, the mixed deep mulch. And when I mix this mulch together, that's another metaphor here. We mix this mulch together. All our experiences aren't the same. Yeah, you can call me a gardener and I'm going to smile, but that's not exactly who I am. Now, I'm pretty good at taking waste out of production processes, but that's also not who I am. I could probably stick 2 pieces of metal together with a welder, or hammer a couple boards together. I've worn a lot of hats in my life. And that's how we mix this mulch together. All of those experiences, you lay that down on your garden, or that just becomes part of you. And when your garden's productive, the hardest work you do is harvest. And the other thing about putting mulch down, the thicker you put it down, the less weeds you're going to have. Just like in life, the more you learn, the more you'll know, the more protected you're going to be. So in the garden, to keep the weeds out, we like to put our mulch down at least 4 inches thick. Does that mean you need to read 4 books a month or a day, a year? I don't know. Whatever mulch gives you armor. Oh my gosh. And if your mulch is thick, you're going to get harvest you didn't even know you planted. I didn't realize this stuff was over here. This is just loaded with beans. Well, I really hope this wasn't too much of a tease. We're going to go further into all of these pillars. I hope you join me for that. And I hope you share some of your experiences. This philosophy is more than just for a garden. I see it everywhere in life now. Everywhere. I told you, the hardest work you do in a garden is harvest. Where do we pick next? I see them everywhere. I'm gonna have to go get another bowl. Well, when they get heavier than your trellis, they're easy to get. And I want to thank you for coming on this journey with me. I had no intention of doing this, but once you see it, you can't unsee it. And it works just like it works in the garden. I hope this made some sense. We'll go into these other pillars in great depth here coming up pretty quick. Leave a comment and tell me what your mulch is. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.